circle. Let's move on to talking about tangencies and applying tangential constraints. So if I go into a new file, standard, 2D sketch on the X and Y. If I create a simple shape here with 3 lines, and I don't know the size of this circle, but I want it to be trapped between these 3 lines, you can always go into the circle, click circle tangent, and you can pick the lines you're interested in, and it builds that circle for you regardless of its size. And you can actually adjust the size of that circle as you move those lines. So that's a useful tool if you don't know yet what your circle is going to be, but you want it to stay tangential to those lines. You can always go in and create a regular circle, like so, and drop in a few circles inside. So let's just dimension this, and you can always change the dimension type to a radius if you don't like diameter. So if you want this to be a 26.9, let's say, it does that nicely for us. And we can actually build different circles within. So let's just say I have a circle over here, another one inside of it, and maybe another circle over here, and another one down here. So I want to make those tangential to one another. Because I already created them, I have to use the tangency constraint. Click on the tangency constraint and pick the circle you want to be tangential to and the other one. You can see it moves. I want this one to that one, and this one to this one, and finally this one to that one. As you can see, it does that for me. Now they're all tangential. Now you can slightly move them, but don't move them too much because it will just lose its place and become very erratic and unpredictable. It's good to actually put dimensions on it so that it stabilizes